Have you ever wondered how to make real money online? In this digital age, it's not just a dream, but a reality for many. The internet is brimming with opportunities to earn a living, and we're here to guide you through 10 proven methods. From online surveys to social media management, these tools can turn your online presence into a profitable venture. So, are you ready to discover these 10 proven ways to make real money online? Let's dive in. First on our list is online surveys. Imagine getting paid for giving your opinion. Online surveys work just like that. Companies are constantly seeking consumer feedback to improve their products and services. By joining reputable sites, you can participate in these surveys and earn a little extra cash. Potential earnings can vary, but every penny counts, right? It's just like having a conversation. But this time, your opinion translates to money. So, sharing your opinion can indeed make you money. Let's move on to our second method, freelancing. Freelancing is like being your own boss. You set your hours, choose your clients, and decide on your rates. It's the ultimate form of self-employment, and it's becoming more popular by the day. You can freelance in countless fields, from writing and graphic design to programming, marketing, and more. Potential earnings? Sky's the limit, really. It all depends on your skill set, your experience, and your dedication. Upwork and Fiverr are two of the most popular platforms where you can showcase your talents and find clients. But there are many others out there, so feel free to explore. Freelancing gives you the freedom to work on projects you love and earn from them. Third on our list is affiliate marketing. Picture this. You're recommending a product or service you love, and when someone buys through your referral link, you get a commission. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. It's like being a virtual salesperson, but without the cold calls. Potential earnings can vary greatly, from a few dollars to thousands per month, depending on your strategy and the products you choose to promote. Getting started is as simple as signing up for an affiliate program. One of the most popular platforms is Amazon Affiliates, but there are countless others to explore. Once approved, you share your unique links and start earning. Remember, the beauty of this method is that it's passive income. With affiliate marketing, you can earn while you sleep. Next up, blogging. In the digital age, blogging has become more than just a hobby. It's a lucrative business opportunity. Starting a blog is relatively easy. You choose a niche, create engaging content, and build a community around your ideas. The potential earnings? Well, they vary, but successful bloggers can make anything from a few hundred to several thousands of dollars per month. You might wonder, how do they do it? Multiple ways, really. They leverage advertising, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and even sell their own products or services. Remember, consistency and quality are key here. So, if you're someone who loves writing and sharing ideas, blogging can turn from a pastime into a profitable passion. Fifth on our list is online tutoring. In this digital age, sharing your knowledge and expertise has never been easier. You can host one-on-one sessions or even group classes, all from the comfort of your home. So how much can you earn? The potential is quite substantial, with some tutors making over $1,000 a month. Reliable platforms? Consider Chegg Tutors, a reputable platform connecting tutors with students worldwide. By sharing your knowledge, you can earn a substantial income online. Moving on to the sixth method, selling products online. This method is about transforming your creativity or unused items into a source of income. You could be selling handmade crafts, vintage goods, or even unwanted items. Platforms like Etsy and eBay make this process easy and accessible. Potential earnings? Well, they vary greatly depending on the product, but the sky's the limit if you've got something people want. So, why not give it a shot? Turn your crafts or unwanted items into cash. Seventh on our list is stock photography. This is a fantastic way to turn your passion for photography into a money-making venture. Websites such as Shutterstock allow you to sell your photos online to businesses, bloggers, and website designers. Your potential earnings can vary greatly, based on the quality of your photos and the demand for the subject matter. The higher the quality and uniqueness, the higher your earnings could be. If you're a photography enthusiast, this can be your income source. Next up, starting a YouTube channel. It's a platform where creativity meets opportunity. With a unique idea, dedication, and a little bit of editing skills, you can create a channel that attracts millions. Earnings can vary greatly, from a few dollars to a full-time income. It all depends on your content and your audience. You can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, or even by selling your own merchandise. Share your passion with the world and earn from it. Ninth on our list is online gaming. This isn't just for fun anymore, it's a legitimate way to earn real money. From live streaming on platforms like Twitch to participating in esports tournaments, there are various avenues to monetize your gaming skills. The potential earnings can range from a few hundred to thousands of dollars per month, depending on your skill level and fan base. And the best part? You're making money doing something you love. Play your favorite games and get paid for it. Lastly, we have social media management. In this digital age, businesses of all sizes are recognizing the value of a strong social media presence. That's where social media managers come in. These professionals are responsible for creating, curating, and managing a brand's social media content. From crafting engaging posts and responding to comments to analyzing trends and developing strategies, their role is diverse and essential. Potential earnings in this field can range from a comfortable side income to a full-fledged six-figure salary. To get started, consider taking online courses to hone your skills, then start networking and pitching your services. So, why not monetize your knack for hashtags, filters, and viral content? Turn your social media skills into a lucrative career. That wraps up our list of 10 proven ways to make real money online. From taking online surveys to managing social media, the digital world offers a myriad of opportunities to earn from anywhere in the world. Whether you're an aspiring freelancer, a budding YouTuber, or an ardent gamer, remember, there's a method tailor-made for you. The key is to start now, learn as you go, and stay consistent. Start your online money-making journey today, and remember, the sky's the limit.